and your conscience. So by you saying that so many times, beauty queen, I am a one gangster, and I'm a quick. Me all hustler, all code. So my brain goes, me. I say, but that's all like beauty queen. They carry my pussy go roast it, but show my pussy too tough, it never get for roast. So, that one that's me I go find out. You understand me, Yvette? I said something to me. Like beauty queen, just do me something. I want to let eh?
Yeah. You put me on. I know like when my friend there, I know. They said crazy there, no, you should be on here with me. And when she just come and she said, Sharon Brown, and me said, you want him come in, so me let him, but from she not there, you can't come in, so blood clot.
If that, let him send him, let him text him Instagram name. At Beauty Bear, who name Beauty Bear?
She said, but text the Instagram name.
Right in my
text it and pin it on this. But she locked me out.
You know, I like you lock me up too.
You live in there?
Even lock me out, so I can't live here.
Me no want no man, you know. Me no want no boy. Me no want no man.
And that me tell them Bumbo old man when me say I squeeze pan and blood clot belly like caterpillar. No man to me goodie. No little Bumbo old now come say, oh me no do what you don't want to do now. And move on that to blood clot and then come over here so come compare now. There's no blood clot person to the man who married to me. None of blood clot on the can't compare. No could have been Jesus in a gown and tie and blood clot. No blood clot. No man.
You saw me carry myself like a blood clot egg. Cause me no want nobody look for me, you know.
You know me hate Yvette? The bomber rash clot all them in my bomber clot them. They must think me I do it. Me and a blood clot do it any girl can jump in and me do it. I shoot up them blood clot for my husband same way. I say, listen, my husband married to me, somehow don't even blood clot walk and bust up with me. No, go! Me no want none of blood clot wanna come join up like junk, you know. Like when I think of blood clot circus this. I'm a blood clot desperate. Watch cocky and shit now. Cocky send in a DM. Cocky with white towel over it. Cocky with me get some blood clot cocky. That's disturbing. No blood clot man to my goodie. Single one
of blood clot man come laugh for me. And go terrible, sit down, come tell them friend, them fuck mama piss up herself.
Yeah, that's very true.
You understand? And then now I talk about thinking I'm a bed, and now I talk, so I want to piss it up too.
What?
That my blood
clot.
Oh, sorry about that. So, why the man I rubber say piece of yourself? So not true? I'm go like when can't take young man cocky.
In a blood clot competition. Like
so, I want to know a young man cocky when you get young man come with stress. Young man come with problem.
All man come with blood clot stress and problem. So talk to me nice.
All man come with good something. Good pum, good life, good house, good bed, good everything because them experience that when them small. Them experience all of the rough thing when they're young. So when they get older, them have all of the good things. And so you see we as a young boy and you get all a big woman, you just roll out. You see me? Yeah. You know them way there. Yeah, roll out with the man.
But then she say, our pum now make again.
No, make them things stop make from 1995.
A different thing I go and know. People that make pussy.
See them make woman buy, so we can't feel like we can do that to just go buy her.
This pussy we have, then a pussy another again.
Yeah, the phone thing them stop plugging the phone before it then.
Internet pussy, them pussy we have now.
Let you away. You go and run a yard there. You go and run a blood clot yard. When crazy come, you can't come back from sit down here, sir. But no, not today.
Let me see if I get back Beauty Queen. Love Auntie Queenie. She is the best. She the queen for oh God, we get back. Me have friend, but you just know my miserable and cussy, but me no work good.
Me can't bother with the picnic them. I them something about 30 odd years ago.
What?
The last two boy trade. The last two boy with little boy were drowned in a hole. I know them can't blood clot find them. So same time them find them two dead boy then I'm a hole, then we start blood clot over again. Yeah.
We get that one that
That's how me say when you blood clot say. Me say the last two boy were drowned in a hole like that.
When me, this is what me say.
So when you say.
Hey, I want Wicked come back with the pan the song still in the event.
Yeah.
But what you say, all right, you want hear when me say this is when me blood clot say. Every boy when me suck them.
Hey, crazy that we make that song the fast still enough.
Event, not even an hour.
Me say we go and shoot and me I tell you to blood clot.
Remember, so when these in the post put up, you know. You know, like I hear put my going a dashboard for me and say, put up the post. Yes, when I look, I'm say, I read the piece my take. So you know it's part one about the song when him say, oh, am I married and not cheat and him say cut the crap. That stopped me in my blood clot.
Do you married? Cut the crap. Cut the crap because me still want girlfriend.
Suck my cock. It's a blood clot and the quickest me make a phone call and say me need to go to studio now. The man say by 9:30 my come to me. 9 blood clot, 25 him reach. When the man reach me not even ready. Me say Yvette come no. Me not having this Yvette. My proud and that you call talent.
Through the time.
Somebody trouble you. And you get talent, but you get up with somebody in a trouble, I see somebody back against the wall now. I see when you want to lick me down because this is a liar blood clot tell, no pussy test. You know, you're... You bet the song nice.
It's nice.
It's
nice.
All of the blood clot, girl, them. You hear me?
You know, friend, yeah, your friend, that's true, one. Yeah, I get the vibes. You don't know the song after nice.
Yvette, I wonder if you remember the day when we do double tap. Are you remember? When we in our kitchen, I said to yourself, that's fake studio.
Yeah.
You know, remember?
Yeah.
I used to crazy if you sing some pussy song and some fuck and some
Yeah.
You go to fuck them. Gotcha.
Hey, Yvette, trust me. You see, if you take up music and put lyrics by your ass clap bar.
Hey, crazy for crab up in them. You know my crab up, man.
Only so good looking.
Your friend, you know you. I bet nobody don't know you. You know your friend crab up.
If you tell them, all right, somebody come talk to me. Godchild. None of blood clot on a campus on a place. I'm not asking again. So London a black on. Yeah. Queen wave. Queen baby. Godchild, what? My Godchild in here. I love Godchild. How are you? May I try accept you? But I don't know. I not find you. Godchild. When the ready phone, just do it one thing. just see like a soft split for my neck.
Mm.
Yeah, idiot. Me never have a fingernail. Me I make split for fuck.
Me like how you build with them.
Yeah.
So when you come here, no, see, you have to build my one. When you go blood clot shed, when crazy come in, and I put the rest, you know. And she are practicing, so she have to build period.
Only not go want my weed them. Watch out. Watch out. Only not go want my weed them. Watch out. Is that it? If you look how this pull out, it's not even a dry good. That little one is spoil.
And so you have to make them till you make them good. The amount of them, me just used to fold up and just flatten the two head them and try me things same way. And people used to laugh and so. And me still can't build my weed now. You're not going to just make and build a weed, so. Everything you do, it's got to take a little time, you know.
Practice becomes perfect,
Yeah,
I know.
man. Everything have to take a little time.
Send me pussy, please. Send me pussy, fat.
So we send the pussy gear, girl, or what? Say the man they love to feel like
Aye. Yes, if my pussy not clean, and if you not fat, and my pussy same way. And as me tell you, say, fall seat and pussy can't borrow, so me know nobody no want it to borrow.
Mash their work, mash their work there, get job and mash their uni. Mash don't have no time for me. Him come look for me last night and spend on half an hour, I think.
Yeah, mash your work.
Mm-hmm. And him I go uni as well. So I must
Yeah.
work as well.
Hey,
So,
crazy.
yeah.
Me say me have one friend, I will but me have some people, me and them talk some things, you know, some joke, you know. Me have one little friend, me and him a talk one time, you know, years me I tell about before me start off picking and a reason, you know. Him say him not buy pussy. So every day me I say, you have to buy pussy, I say him say him not buy pussy and not buy pussy. So me say, why you not buy pussy? Him say the first time him come from blood clot country, you know. The first time him come from country and drop a town, you know, you have a place out of East named Portland now, so he used to sell pussy, you know. So the man say, him go out the same buy pussy. And the girl take most of $10,000 from him or something, but you know them time they have enough money, you know. And him say like $11,000 America country and just a come a town now, and no town. And him say when him give the girl the money, and him and the girl go in the room. I'm saying, when you come at town, no, I fuck some town girl, no, the first year I bust a fuck a town girl, no, you know. And so the girl take the money from him first, and the girl just drop the chimney from under the bed. And cock up and start shit.
Watch it.
And him say when the girl start shit, you know, I just wipe him, say never see a shit thing so yet, you know. I'm saying the girl cock up and wipe her body, you know, crazy. And shoot the chimney back under the bed, you know. And say, come now, no. Him say, from him say she drop the chimney, him cocky just go right down. Him say, I go away. Here now, no. Him a say she forgive him back the money, you know. The girl say, give back what? Me never tell her, say, me nah fuck.
If you don't take you thinking back to all fuck, I'm don't get none.
Me say, hey, sometimes some things happen in her life for the first time to blood clot, you know. Me say, the man say, nothing never hurt him, so I mean, know if him not dead today to blood clot, him still never forget that.
At Yvette, me tell about the boy when I look for 1 year, the boy I look my for. And me say, Yvette, it's so 1 year after when the boy give me some blood clot. Fuck me say, Yvette, some man wicked enough. A good thing we are woman and then say pussy can done.
Hey, me I tell you something, I see this world is crazy. I say I'm not responsible for nobody. I'm not responsible for what nobody wants about me. Me know, me is me, and who is me. You understand me? I say this world is a crazy world for true, no girl.
Truth.
Because friends the woman got the chimney and she rub the blood clot, man. A long time scam at them out, you know.
Long time scamming coming all different way, man. They must never pay them £20 for pussy at Jamaica when him come down with before scary death. I'm a say, you know, if I went that person want to add them, but I can't find you. You know, if I went that person, I tell me add them. All right, here what happened now, Yvette. What person there had me? Let me pin you. Yvette, wait. Yvette, me soon add you back.
Yeah, cut me out.
Yeah, I did. When I listen to do with interview and him never say nothing bad about me. When I want him to say something bad about me. Yeah, I'm interview nice. She feel what happen. She feel go Jamaica and come back. What person was to add them there? What the bumper clot? This me can't see the say now. Is that the person? Yeah, I did had it. I just had I can't get back the camera on for me. What is man? Bumper clot. All right, see me there now. Where somebody that want to admit? Yeah, my boy admit. Queenie can't chat up for crazy. What is a name somebody want to accept? You been asking to come live. I did accept you. Shifi Wama was Jamaica. You got Jamaica and come back good girl? Bumper clot. I'll know me and them link up here. Got on time, not before the time. The person gone. Send back the request, darling. All with the just chat me, I say a thing, so no can chat me now, because we up at top in a comment me there. So like how me done, all right, join. See somebody come here, nice. Okay, join with the Queen, hello. Queen, too many people in the live. It no matter, enough people this. I 200 have somebody that baby. What any person that send back your request, darling, if you want to speak to the Queen. You don't want to speak to me anymore? Did you change your mind? She says she have a good time. Bomber clad. Hey girl, Jamaica nice, but don't know your money. Don't they take money and fuck. Feel like 3 months of me the dung that to bomber clad. It dry me like a chips. You know when dry shit dry, and when you press it, it just Jesus Christ, God created. I can't find somebody. I'm gonna leave me alone. I'm gonna look again. If you want me still add you, say add me now and make me just press go live. Okay? May I wait for you? Come. Jackie Puss. How name Jackie Puss? You know but I want to come live with my darling there? You change your mind? Add me. No, I can't add you yet, roll it. May I look for my friend I want to add them from when. Wait then, man. Come on. Wait then, man. Remember one Queenie, you know. Remember me at 50, no take time with me too, man. Remember me at 53, and I go like no sister my old foot. My face fat. Me hear them say my pop down. I mean, I tell them people are out of here. The only time I'm pop down is when my mouth pop up. Add me. Nobody can get add my love. All me I try, I don't know. It nah go true. What? You're a secret admirer. Love your bad Queenie. Is it? Thank you. I lie. May I have secret? May I have secret admirer? What? All who don't have no secret admirer, but how that? Asphalt what, man? Yeah, make we start back the live. To truth. Asphalt entertainment what? Asphalt, you know, I'm not want it in us to know the pitney song. If I call Tal up for when, you know, Tal get, yeah, Queenie, shut up, restart. But how about TikTok, may I go? May I go over TikTok, I got the tops and roses. Fuck off over here, so. But you me not left for out. So, but TikTok full of rules, you know. Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to go on now, make me restart the live. Later, come, I'm going to go on. Go on and come back, yeah? Take a little kick. Yeah, break. Come back in a bit. Me bumbo clot, I said late. To eat. I'm going to come over TikTok at TikTok time. Bye now. Later, make we say one prize. The Lord is my shepherd. I come on, I don't take this to do. Come in over to bless up the life. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh us to lie down in green pasture. He leadeth us beside the still water. He restoreth our soul. He leadeth us in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Hey, though we walk through the valley of the shadow of death, we shall fear no evil, for thou art with us. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort us. Thou preparest a table before us in the presence of our enemies. Thou anointest our head with oil, our cup runneth over. May I speak for everybody. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of Uno and family life, and we all shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Right now, all who have loved ones who are in a hospital and go through distress. Right now, who have loved ones who pass away, who have memorial, blessed love. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When your loved one who hurts and they're in distress and them sick, you just have to keep the courage and pray for them and say, thank God I am alive. Thank God I've got strength. Thank God I can pray for someone. That's what I done. When my daughter died there, I had to say, Father God, thank God me alive because it was Rochelle. Me the dead and Rochelle did alive. Rochelle could cope. So I take the bitter with the sweet. And this Saturday, Royal Crazy as on a no see party are paranoid. You see that? Paranoid. See the Rochelle daddy? Yes, Rochelle Poopa there. And see Rochelle there and Nasa and our Poopa. And then see nice queen there. Okay? So this Saturday, yes, Sexy Ladies Edition. Uno no go. All uno like see me sexy. Me sorry for no. A sexiness is my husband right now. Sexiness is my man. Sexiness is my partner. Sexiness is my companion. Sexiness says it all. Sexy. Honey, so honey. Honey. Bumbo clock, the amount of people there over TikTok and the amount of tasks and something we for do over TikTok. But my finger, free finger and disengage. So rock it, baby. Alright, I'm going over TikTok later. Bye now. And so much people did over here. My eye them done. Why my eyes are being done? Bumbo clot, a 500 and somebody people that? Pussy ass clot are my eye them done. Hey, somebody can bring my Me not lie, I love Queenie. Queenie come back bouncing, you know. Look on the face. Face are come on, you know. God bless me. All right, wanna take care. Over TikTok. Shift girl later.